All right, ladies and gents, about to crank her over. Oh. Not too bad. Still stays pretty quiet in here. We will go for a quick drive, get her on the pipe like an old two-stroke. Just hammer down, boys. Right there, that's pretty much as loud as it gets inside the cab with the 4-inch out to a 5-inch tip. I had 5-inch straight, and everybody knows that that drone's way bad in the cab, but that's also because it's louder outside. So I'll do another pull. We'll put the windows down and show you guys how that is. Get the windows down. Maybe you guys will hear something now. Alright guys, one more pull here. Hopefully, I'll hold it more towards the passenger side, that way you get a little more of that cackliness. Hit the gravel here. So there's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.